Welcome back, Pure Structure Traders and YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session. Today is December 7, 2021 here in Hawaii, and will be December 8, 2021 in London. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil, give you guys some of the levels that we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. Also, we do got some tutorial videos out there, the double bottom video that we created, and we're going to have some other tutorial videos that are coming up soon as well. So definitely recommend it if you guys are looking to understand a little bit more about trading. Definitely recommended that you guys watch those videos as well. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into the market analysis. So for S&P 500, you can see we've been strongly bullish here. And we may end up seeing this market continue bullish as well. You can see a couple areas that we've marked off here, 46, 97, 75, and then as support, and then below that 46, 91, 50. Those are prior areas of resistance that we've used so far as support, so they're going to be areas that we're looking for to continue this bullish run to the upside. Again, first area 97.75, we're looking for that balance of support and continuation. Next level up for resistance 47.14, and then above that 47.29 and 47.40.50. So below these 97.75s, next area that we could potentially catch some support is these 46.91.50s, and then you can see below that next level 46.84.25. Now we drop below 84.25, we could see a free fall that actually falls down into these 46.55s, and then maybe a bounce up from that area as well. But right now, two closer areas that we'll be looking at again is going to be those 97.75s, and then below that 46.91.50. Let's move over into a smaller chart. Let's take a look at this on a closer level. So pulling over this smaller chart here on S&P and zooming in for you guys, you can see a couple bounces, one bounce, looking for this bounce to happen here as well. Next support bounce should continue us up to this area here, right around these 47.05s, and then through that to the next level up above 47.14 as the support, and then below, if we do break these 97.75s, again this area right here, maybe a nice double bottom here for a continuation up. If we break below that, getting a little bit lower here into these 84.25s, could potentially see some upside. But you can see once we break that, we could see a retest and then a potential free fall into 55 and then 46, 44, 50 as well. So just keep that in mind. But again, we are strongly bullish, so you want to try to trade with the trend as of right now. So that's why we're going to be looking out for these smaller areas here for the long opportunities to the upside. For those who want the shorts, you could look for the fade against 47.14 if you get the opportunity. If not, 29 and or 47.40.50, and if not, get below those 84.25s and then look for the retest and a shorting opportunity from that area as well. Moving over, let's go ahead and take a look at what we got going on crude oil here. Not crude oil, but gold. Let's take a look at what we got on gold. Support coming in right now, 1789.1. Actually, if we just adjust this just a little bit, it's just a little bit lower, 1788.5. That's where we got the first area of support. May potentially come right back, double bottom, and then continue this bullish run here. So again, 1788.5 is our first area. If not, you may end up seeing this collapse into 85.7 and the next level 82.7. These are the two areas that we potentially could get the long opportunities to continue higher. Resistance above that, 1792.9 as the area of resistance, and then 96.1 is the next area. So if we fail, those could be the areas that you look for the rejection, the resistance there, maybe a nice double top, and a failure to try to pull it right back down. But right now, similar to S&P 500, we're running on a bullish run, trying to get back to the upside. So just keep in mind, those are the two areas of support you may end up seeing. I do anticipate this trying to climb up into these 92s for that first area of rejection. So again, if you can get that long opportunity, that's going to be what we're looking for on the first area, these 88.5s and then 85.7 as the two long areas, with a major area as well underneath at 82.7 for the support. Let's move over into crude oil, see what's going on with crude oil as we draw into the London session. Now, crude oil did drop into our support, 71.37, nice V bottom right off that area, and you can see these rotations, one, two, actually, here's your first one, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I do think crude oil actually may continue to try to pull down. We've had a sideways consolidation where resistance is at 72.08 and support 71.79. Now major area underneath 71.37 and another resistance above that 72.24. So we may end up being in this range for a little bit, but to play that range you want to sell high 72.08 and buy low 71.79. But right now, selling high looks like the better opportunity to try to pull us deeper, as we have fallen already below these 71.79s and we can't seem to push through this area of resistance at 72.08. But you don't want to try to short the support here. You want to wait till you get up to that resistance 72.08. Only time you should be trading here at support is to be going long from that support area if you want to try to fade against this downward movement. So just keep that in mind. Only thing that you should be trying to do here is be looking for a long opportunity in this sideways range, 71.79. If not, if you're not comfortable with fading this, then wait for the resistance and then look for that opportunity for the short. You could try the resistance underneath, which means like we get under a retest and then a free fall from there back into 71.37. That could also be an opportunity for you, but might feel a little bit more risky as it is trying to break that support and retest it as resistance. So just keep that in mind. I like the conservative 72.08 resistance level for the short opportunity, and then above that 72.24 as the next area of resistance. Higher up, 72.83 is our next level up above, and below our support of 71.37, another major area, 70.93. But that pretty much wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. Other than that, if you guys continue to trade, make sure you guys trade well. You guys take care. Have a great night.